Okay, so let's proceed to number 61. Protective lighting, perimeter barriers, and blank systems are known in industrial security as physical security. A. Relieving, B. Reporting, C. Accounting, D. Guarding. So our key points here is the perimeter barriers, that includes the protective lighting. Okay, so if we will analyze the 61 question, it is known as the physical security. So commonly our answer here is letter D, guarding, because it is considered as physical security because due to the reason that it surrounds to be secured the cover of such place in perimeter barriers. Okay, so let's proceed to number 62. What administrative support unit conducts investigation and evaluation of physical evidence related to crimes with emphasis on their medical, chemical, biological, and physical nature? A. Logistics Service, B. Crime Laboratory, C. Communication and Electronic Service, D. Finance Center. So our key points here is the Administrative Support Unit or ASU, which conducting investigation and evaluation. So our answer here is the Crime Laboratory. Why? Because our key points are medical, chemical, biological, and physical nature, which the cover up or it included in Crime Laboratory because they examining those medical, chemical, biological, and physical nature. 63. Those who are charged with actual fulfillments of agency's missions are blank personnel. A. Staff, B. Management, C. Supervision, D. Line. So our key points is those are charged with actual fulfillments of agency's mission. So in terms of giving mission in such situation, it should be the answer will be letter D, the line personnel. Why? Because they are the personnel who are in charge in the agency's mission because they are actual, kumbaga nasa mismo sila, nakikita natin through physically, because the answer is line. 64. Which of the following is contained in heading of an intelligence report? A. Reporting unit, B. Conclusion, C. Signature of the director, D. Assessment of the operation. So our key point here is the intelligence report. So it should be the answer is letter A, reporting unit, because yung key point na talaga natin na nakikita is from the word intelligence report. So kaya ang sagot is reporting unit. 65. License of private security guards are processed and issued by the A. Philippine National Police, B. National Police Commission, C. D. Department of Interior and Local Government, D. Security Exchange Commission. So as easily understanding the question, the agency who will provide or will release licenses of private security guards are the Philippine National Police, letter A. Okay. 66. When the subject identifies or obtains knowledge that the investigator is conducting surveillance on him, the latter is A. Cut out, B. Burn out, C. Sold out, D. Get out. So as we understand the number 66 question, the word conducting surveillance on him. So meaning our subject will be, the answer is B. Burn out. He will be burned out because it already identified or obtained knowledge. Kumbaga, nakilala na siya or na-identify na siya. Kaya burnout ang tawag, letter B. 67. A fire hydrant should be carefully opened when in use in order to A. Prevent water runner. B. To ensure that the drip valve is all the way closed. C. Close the coupling. D. Reduce vibration of the hydrant. So, our key point will be the carefully open. So, kapag naghawak kasi tayo ng fire hydrant, saan mo makikita ang fire hydrant? Nakikita natin yan, it should sa mga street, kung saan it is the sources of water by our Bureau of Fire Protection. So, dyan nila nire-refill yung kanilang fire truck para kukuha ng tubig. So, ang answer natin is letter D, to reduce vibration of the hydrant. Kasi napakalakas ang tubig niyan. Malakas yung volume niya. Kaya, carefully siya ino-open ng ating BFP personnel para ma-reduce yung vibration of the hydrant. Letter D ang sagot. 68. Small alleys like those in the squatters area of Tondo can be best penetrated by the police through A. Foot patrol, B. Highway patrol, C. Mobile patrol, D. Helicopter patrol. So, kung iintindi natin, Tondo yung papasukin or penetrated. So, meaning, para siyang dikit-dikit kasi from the word squatter, so dikit-dikit yung bahay. So, our answer or the patrol should be engaged or execute on that particular area will be the foot patrol. Kasi nga, lalakarin lang, papasukin lang siya. Kaya ang sagot is foot patrol. 69. Some of the instruction in foot surveillance are the following, except A. Stop quickly, look behind. B. Drop paper, never mind what happens to the paper. C. Window shop, watch reflections. D. Retrace steps. So, ano yung hindi included from the word except? Hindi siya included, hindi siya kasali. So, our answer will be retrace steps. Hindi naman pwede i-retrace natin yung steps ng kada lakad ng isang surveillance. Kaya hindi siya included. Kaya ang sagot natin is retrace steps. 70. On many occasions, the bulk of the most information comes from A. Business world, B. An underworld, C. New clippings, D. Communication media. So, from the word information, saan ba po nanggagaling yung mga information? So, it should be in the communication media. Kaya ang sagot natin is letter D, communication media, where the information comes from. Okay?